Welcome. We're about to uncover the billion-dollar craftsmanship behind Rolls-Royce interiors.
It starts here, a dedicated workshop where precision meets tradition.
Each hide and veneer is hand-selected for color, grain, and character.
Designs move from digital precision to human judgment, templates that guide every stitch.
Cutting is surgical. One wrong move wastes an irreplaceable hide. Those hand-stitched seams from A, each one is controlled, measured, and perfected.
Beneath the leather, layers of foam are engineered for comfort and support.
Book-matched veneers are joined so the grain reads like a single living surface.
Every metal trim is machined and hand-polished until it mirrors perfection.
Now the pieces meet, a careful dry fit before final fastening and finishing.
Only the top 1% of hides make it into a Rolls-Royce.
Pressure and heat shape the leather into its final form.
Stitching must be perfect, every single line.
Each hide is digitally mapped before any cut is made. Quilting patterns must align within 1/10 of a millimeter. Layers of foam are tuned for softness and silence.
Panels are mounted with 0 visible gaps.
Now that the leather is shaped and stitched, it moves to final interior assembly.
Metal trims are hand-aligned for mirror-clean symmetry. Every interior is built like a custom sculpture.
If you love luxury content, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Inside Luxury, share it with your friends, and don't forget to ring the bell icon.
Every edge is shaped by hand to feel smooth and flawless.
Every panel is checked for perfect thickness before stitching.
Custom dyes are hand-mixed to match each client's desired tone.
Stitching must be perfectly aligned. No deviation is acceptable. Curved sections require the most experienced hands.
Some trims use hand-braided leather for a unique luxury touch.
Steam helps shape the leather smoothly over complex surfaces.
Each stitch is inspected under magnification for perfection.
Finished panels are reviewed for texture, color, and overall finish.
At this stage, the leather is ready to be shaped into the cabin's signature luxury.
Every millimeter is shaped by hand to guarantee a flawless final contour.
Heat and tension help the hide wrap perfectly around complex Rolls-Royce curves.
Burnishing seals the surface, giving it that signature deep, elegant shine.
Even the smallest component is measured to perfection before assembly begins.
Metal accents are set by hand, so every line matches Rolls-Royce geometry.
Each piece is polished repeatedly to achieve mirror-level clarity. These micro-perforations help the cabin breathe while staying perfectly uniform.
Every detail you've seen is crafted by specialists who treat each car like a masterpiece.
Before final installation, panels are test-fitted to guarantee perfect alignment. And each finished piece is transported with care, ready for its place inside the cabin. Every stitch is measured, ensuring Rolls-Royce interiors stay flawless for decades.
Workers inspect each line of thread to make sure it meets luxury standards.
Smooth, sealed edges prevent wear and give the leather its signature feel.
Stress tests ensure every hide can survive real-world pressure.
Digital stitching maps help keep every panel perfectly consistent.
Robots support the craft, but the final touch always stays human.
Excess threads are clipped by hand for a perfect finish.
Steam softens the leather so it can fold without a single wrinkle.
Panels are aligned with millimeter accuracy before mounting begins.
These stitched panels are now ready to become part of the finished cabin.
Every leather panel is hand-formed with absolute precision.
Laser guides ensure each cut stays flawlessly accurate.
Only the strongest sections of leather make it past this stage.
Shaping curved sections takes steady hands and years of practice.
Heat bonding prepares each panel for flawless shaping.
Even every stitch is inspected for symmetry and tension.
Panels are matched carefully to avoid even the tiniest distortion.
Interior components come together like pieces of a luxury puzzle.
Each finished piece is inspected for absolute perfection.
Craftsmanship like this is what gives Rolls-Royce its unmatched interior beauty.
Each tine fiber is placed by hand to create the Rolls-Royce Starlight magic. The Starlight pattern is tested again and again for perfect glow. Dashboard panels are shaped slowly to avoid even the tiniest wrinkle.
Teams work in harmony to form the galaxy effect across the ceiling.
Every stitch must sit perfectly flat, no exceptions.
The grain must match from left to right with absolute precision.
Wood veneers are polished until they shine like glass.
Even tiny chrome pieces are hand-finished for perfect smoothness.
Every part you see is handcrafted, tested, and perfected with patience.
Hand pressure ensures every component clicks in flawlessly. Every stitch is polished by hand to perfection.
This is where the Starlight roof finally comes alive.
The ceiling panel is secured with extreme accuracy.
The handcrafted wood trim slides into its final home.
Each star is individually placed to create a perfect night sky.
Hidden lights are tested for flawless brightness.
Even the air vents are engineered like jewelry.
The steering wheel is fitted with perfect alignment.
Every inch undergoes a final craftsmanship check.
This is the soul of Rolls-Royce, crafted by hand, perfected for luxury.
Every detail inside a Rolls-Royce is crafted to feel like a private universe of luxury. On the road, a Rolls-Royce doesn't just move, it glides with effortless presence.